Yellowstone. The name alone stirs up images of endless forests and, for some, a lurking giant beneath the surface. But is Yellowstone really the largest volcanic threat on Earth, or is it more misunderstood than menacing? Let's set the record straight. First off, Yellowstone's caldera is huge, about 30 by 45 miles. That's big enough to be seen from space, but believe it or not, it's not the largest caldera on the planet. That title goes to Toba in Indonesia, which stretches over 60 miles long. And if we're talking sheer eruption power, Colorado's La Garita caldera once unleashed the biggest volcanic blast we know of. So, is Yellowstone overdue for an eruption? Not really. In the last 2 million years, there have been 3 major eruptions, each separated by hundreds of thousands of years. If you average it out, that's about every 730,000 years. But volcanoes don't keep calendars. Since the last supereruption 640,000 years ago, Yellowstone's had about 80 smaller eruptions, mostly harmless lava flows. The last one was 70,000 years back. Now, what could make Yellowstone erupt out of the blue? Well, it'd take something dramatic, like a sudden surge of magma from deep below or a massive buildup of volcanic gas. A big earthquake could shake things up, or the ground above the magma chamber could suddenly collapse. Even the hot water and steam trapped underground can explode if the pressure drops fast enough. But right now, the US Geological Survey is watching Yellowstone around the clock, and there's nothing unusual going on. But what about a meteor? Could a space rock trigger the sleeping giant? In theory, yes, but only if it were absolutely massive and landed right on top of the magma chamber. The odds of that are frankly astronomical. And even if it happened, the impact itself would be devastating. An eruption would just add insult to injury. So, here's the truth. Yellowstone is a sleeping giant, but it's not an angry one. There's no ticking clock, no overdue explosion, and no cosmic threat on the horizon. It's one of the most closely watched places on Earth, and for now it's just quietly simmering, letting us marvel at its wonders above ground. So next time you hear a wild story about Yellowstone's imminent doom, remember, the facts are far less frightening than the myths.